fastest way to clean these goggles is, I want to start that again because I didn't explain why. Fantastic. I'm sorry, I had in my mind, I was going, I'm just going to wreck this, I'm going to wreck this.
Malvern Mustang, Eli Tomac and Ken Rutchin. Lucky I can improv.
Will he hear you though? Can he hear you through my mic or?
Yes, I think he can, because I'm speaking quite loudly.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ben, can you hear me?
Ben, are you there? Sun's going to go under a cloud or something soon, you know. Now let me tell you a few benefits of these boots. Features would be better. Ready? Oh, we'll do that one more time. And the 300V is designed for high... I was too worried about doing this. Whoa. Get through some mud.
Don't mess up good ones.
Well, that's all we've got for this week on MXTV. Thanks very much for joining us. They're getting Marvin's bike revved up out there. I'm getting revved up. Until next week, hold it on! Let's have a look at the Thor facility, the Thor headquarters. Josh, thanks very much for showing me the heart inside. We've been going all day. Oh yeah, I got the best job in the world. Hang on, ready? Right. It's specifically for off-road chains. Makes sense, doesn't it?
That would have worked if you hadn't had a space in the middle of it.
There's a girl! Ah!
That was a good one.
Lock system. That didn't sound right, did it? Put it on the sheet, I will read it, so.
Check out 7 app if you want it. 7 Plus app, sorry.
Oh, well.
We're all over the shop. All right, we'll be right. We'll get it right this time.
It's absolute. And 1, 2.
Coming weeks, that's for sure. And also, Belly, I forgot exactly what I was going to say next, so.
You want to watch it again, which I do all the time on the +7 app, check us out.
It's 7 Plus. That was me, I'll put that in your head, sorry.
At the end of the segment, something that is going to rock you guys like there's no tomorrow, and I can speak. And while you're on your phone, why don't you give us a follow at MXTV Show?
Yeah.
That would be your call.
No.
Been ridden in yet? Ridden in, running. Right, 1, 2. For the CR. Hey. Hey. They've made a few upgraders. What is wrong with me? On your fat days, let them off, and on your good days, you can tighten them up.
G'day, mates. This is Ken Roxon, and you guys are watching MXTV.
That's
a little
amazing.
Aussie accent.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Yeah.
Take care, mate. G'day, John.
Hey, good day.
Great. Good day.
Good day.
Good try for Aussie accent. Mate, let's do that again. Now, we all know you should have T-bars, but you should also have scissors. Oh, sorry.
Now, 10 years down the track, there's scissors. Did you hold it on, okay?
Where the Tide bolts are.
Yes.
Let's go. Get you a better hat.
We haven't got it. You've never given me any.
I don't get it. Oh, I don't have them. Gotta get one. Go straight with me as an Aussie.
All good, mate. All good, buddy.
What about it, toys?
Hey, Chucky.
Can't do more than one take.
No. One take wonder.
All right. Made me feel happier. Next week, but until then, you know it. Hold it on. Cross up. Is in the higher price range. Can I say price? Price. I like a little bit of price. G'day everyone, I'm Brendan Bell and welcome to MXTV. Well, in today's first segment, no, I did that last week, the 7 Plus app. Don't forget, wait until next week, we'll see you guys next week would be a lot better way to do that. And what a better way to me to make a mistake.
Yeah, Melly. Yeah.
Catch us out on the track.
No, I'm not saying that.
Okay, now let's take a closer look at the modal factory seat. Factory seat. I had factory on my board. Why can't I string 2 words together? Right. Idiot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you've been having a lot of fun on it. I can see when I was riding behind you there, you just swallowed a fly.
The only other thing wanted to mention was, sorry, people, our families.
Someone's phone. Oh. It's yours, Rocco.
Rocco!
Rocco!